Looking at the stocks that we are in, our positions, BYND at 207. That's the star of the story right now. Still in that. So we'll be adjusting the stop in BYND here at the top of the hour. Right now it's at 195.86. So that's about $22 of profit locked in, guys. So we'll send that signal out. Our H looking good as well. Opening here at 129.98. Our stop currently is 124.06. Again, we're looking for that 10% level of 135.09 for RH. WDC as well. BA right now 355. So we'll continue to watch that.